If you ever hear your car start to sound like it's struggling for breath, almost like it's running a marathon with a pillow over its mouth, that's your first clue that a clogged catalytic converter might be at work. No dashboard warning for this one, just pure mechanical misery. You're not alone. Most people don't even know what a catalytic converter does until theirs gets clogged and suddenly the car has less power than a kid's tricycle going up a hill. It's the silent choke point in your exhaust, and when it blocks up, it blocks everything. Here's how you'll experience it. You press the gas pedal, and the car barely responds. It feels like running in a dream, but your legs just won't move. That's pain point number 1, sluggish acceleration. Easily the most hated by anyone who drives in traffic, especially if you're late already. The most dramatic symptom? The engine gets hot. And I don't mean cozy Portland day in August hot, I mean breakdown on the highway, why is smoke coming out? Hot. If your temp gauge starts climbing, that's your cat converter refusing to let exhaust escape. Step 1 to diagnose, the humble vacuum gauge. Hook it up and rev the engine. If the needle drops and stays low, the converter is almost surely clogged. If you don't have a vacuum gauge, you can rent one for $10 at any auto parts store, which is a steal compared to blowing your head gasket. Another easy test. Grab an infrared thermometer and measure temps before and after the converter while the engine runs. If the exit side is way colder than the entry, think 100 degrees Fahrenheit difference or more, you got a blockage. Pro tip, this beats crawling under the car just guessing. Pain point 2, lousy fuel economy. Suddenly, you're burning through gas like a 90s Suburban, but going nowhere fast. This hits the wallet. Some people see up to a 40% drop in miles per gallon. Check your recent fill-ups. If you're fueling up more, look closer. On top of that, you'll probably notice a sulfur or rotten egg smell. That's the caged chemical reaction in the catalyst going haywire. It's not subtle. It's downright embarrassing when you stop at a light and your car starts smelling like someone microwaved old gym socks. If you want to try unclogging it, because who has $1,200 lying around for a new one, there's a trick that works about 1 in 5 times. Add a dedicated catalytic converter cleaner to a half-full tank. Drive on the highway 60+ miles per hour for 20 minutes. Sometimes that's enough to burn the junk off. Be careful with DIY solutions you read online. Drilling holes, hitting the converter with a hammer, or adding weird fluids only works in the same way punching your TV will fix it. Save your fists and your emissions test. If you actually have to replace it, look up your state's laws. In places like California and, Oregon, it has to be a carb-compliant converter. If you install a cheap online knockoff, you'll fail inspection and probably have to do the job twice. Fast fact. About 50,000 cars in the U.S. each year are stolen just for their catalytic converters, mostly hybrids, because the precious metals inside are worth more than your latest iPhone. So if you go to the mechanic and it's missing, you might not be crazy. If you want to avoid all this, don't ignore sluggishness or that warning smell. The earlier you catch a clog, the better chance you have of saving your converter with a cleaner and not turning your next commute into a slow, smelly disaster.